Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the road again, doing the mini bike thing. We're gonna make a stop by Go Power Sports and do a little work to the bike. And then from there, we're gonna go to our other destination. We'll let you know what that is when we get there. And so as always, I got my trusty co-pilot. She's over there scouting mini bike stuff to buy in the area. Like she needs any more bikes.
Like, yeah, okay, whatever.
Okay. All right. So anyway, we'll see when we get to Go Power Sports and see what we got going on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it to Go Power Sports. Called ahead of time and they got me some parts pulled for the Texas bike. We're going out to the ranch tomorrow, so there'll be footage of that later. And they added some new additions to the track and all that good stuff. So figured I'd spin you around, show you where we're going to do the bike today. We got us fixed up with the new belt. We got a new converter because the other one had like 1,000,000 miles on it. And of course I let a buddy borrow my other one and I was short one. So now we got us a new one to put on the bike. And we got a brand new air filter. Always check your air filters. My air filter looked good. There was a crack in it right here behind the clamp. So if you barely turn the filter, it would like open up and suck dirt in. So we got us a brand new filter. And we got a sock down here. Where we got a sock at? We're going to put Go Power Sports sock on it just to keep all the big stuff off the filter. These are already pre-oiled also. Actually, this is like a 2-filter one with a spring inside. So, and we got the cover we got to put back on. So we're going to get to it, get this thing knocked out, give her a rip around the parking lot, see how everything jobs before we head out to the ranch. Ladies and gentlemen, we are out here at the Go Power Sports Ranch. Oh, hold on. I think there's something on the screen here. A little dusty out here from yesterday. Got Taylor out here breaking in the new track. I'm gonna spin around and show you that in a minute. But this is one of the 2 test days. So if you follow along on their website, they'll post it up. You come out here for the day, get a feel of the track and the new addition they do to it. And I highly suggest making the, we'll call it test and tune day, so you can come out, try out the new flat track, which is really awesome. Taylor and the guys did an awesome job on this. And the addition to the 180 track. Definitely need to come out and get your practice laps in. Don't cost you nothing, sign a waiver, get a cool nifty take-home wristband. And anyway, so we're gonna spin you around. Taylor's fixed to cut the track in some more. He's been working on that yesterday and today and whatnot. But we got the porta cans over here. They're gonna have some merch and stuff set up. You come in and sign right here. You can bring your own stuff for today, your own snacks, fuel, parts, and all that good stuff for the test and tune days. They do still have the nice, they added onto the barn over here, so they do have a place you can get in and work on your bike if you need be. Then we got Taylor. Hey! Got Taylor cutting in the track some more. Like I said, been working on that yesterday. Or actually, this part right here that he's working on right now is the pit area coming in for the 180 race. But this over here, it's gonna be dusty. You dust all the camera lens. But this is the new flat track bike. Flat bike, bleh. I just woke up and had no coffee. This is the new flat track right here. Really wide and was kind of like over here before, so they cut everything in new. Way down there, comes on this side of that big dirt hill, loops back around. So Taylor's been working on this yesterday when we showed up, trying to get some humps and stuff out of it, but they're working on the rest of the track. So the plan is today, spin you back around here. The plan is today I'm probably gonna put a helmet cam on, chest cam, something like that. And we're gonna go ride through the track and kind of give you a heads up of what some of it is. But like I said, I highly suggest y'all try and make the next one. If you didn't make this one, make the next test and tune day out here at the ranch. Like I said, it's free. Come out and hang out for the day. And that way you can get your practice laps in. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get suited up here in a minute, go make a few laps on it. And then we'll see if we can't get you a video from the helmet cam, chest cam, whatever, to kind of give y'all an insight of what it looks like. But, so we're gonna get to it right after coffee. Y'all stay tuned.
So we had like,
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are all loaded up. All the fun times for this weekend are over. So make sure and check out the next Go Power Sports Test and Tune Day, which is October 11th.
Well,
12th. Yeah, 12th, she said. So follow Go Power Sports. It's on their deal. Get you all the what you need to bring, times, dates, location, and all that good stuff. So hopefully we'll see y'all then. And I highly suggest taking the time to come out. The track is way gnarlier than it was last year. So you definitely need to come out and get your test and tune and ride time in to get your bike prepared for the main event. So thanks Go Power Sports for the hospitality. Thank y'all for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it. We'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care.